Alright guys, we just made it to the resort. I'm going to show you a quick little room tour. So our room key is actually our bracelet, which is so convenient. Open the door. So we have these mirrors. It'll be perfect to check the outfit. Oh, we have like a little closet area with some hangers. We have a little mini bar with coffee. We have all of these snacks. These are so good, but they're not vegan. We have some espressos, and they like refill this every single day. Espresso mugs, coffee mugs. And then down here, we just have some waters, and then we have a little mini fridge that is filled. And then they even have like this alcohol dispenser up here. Look at this. And then over here, we have the bathroom area. So we have a shower, and look at this head. There's a shower head here. There's these double shower heads here. A little seating area, toilet. The toilet paper is scented. And then we have this area, this, to do makeup. And then we have this sink. This pulls out, and they have a shaving kit, a dental kit, amenities box. They have all Bulgari products, so lotions, soaps, shampoo and conditioner. Look at this jacuzzi tub right in the middle. And every single night our butler can like make us a bath. We can change our sheets, we can change our pillows. Literally, it's gonna be amazing. So we have this bath, jacuzzi tub right in the center of the room. And then we have this other closet. We have some robes and some slippies. We have a safe in there, some extra pillows. This was my honeymoon shirt that I wore. Sam is still wearing his. We wore these in the airport. They were so cute. And then we have this little area here to put whatever we need. Big TV, more storage area, desk. This is our view. It's the lagoon. They set us up with some chocolates, and I think this is probably champagne. And then a king size bed. What's that?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Hello? Yeah, sure, come in. He's on the phone with someone, I'm not sure, but. And this is the view from our hotel. We have the pool down there. Look at those hammocks in the pool. We want to explore the resort. This is the lagoon. So the ocean's actually on the opposite side, but down over there, we can see like all bunch of different other resorts and stuff. There's like a swim up bar there. There's a volleyball net. Oh, I cannot wait.